Hi, welcome back to Byte Forever. So today we're going to just have a look at Breakout game, which is a typing game in this book by Toni Baker. If Toni Baker is still around and sees this, maybe you've got some tips on how to actually debug the program, because I've kind of hit a bit of a brick wall, pardon the pun. I think let's just demo the game running if we can. So I'm running on the 81 emulator, which is a pretty cool emulator. And so this is the initial bit. So the bat initially moves left, right, okay, and the ball moves diagonally upwards. I believe that's because you're adding 2's complement of effectively minus 31, so it causes the ball to go diagonally across the screen. However, as soon as it touches the first block, it detects that there's logic in there to detect that, it deletes that block, and then it's meant to choose the next direction for the ball to go based on this bit of code. And in the book, it has a label for seed in the assembly code next to the, I don't know if you can see that, because this is the bit of code here. Whoops, there. And that is meant to index eventually into this table start, low and high. It just mentions, I think the book says to put the numbers 0020, 0022, FFE0 and FFDE in memory and label it table start, or at least remember that location in memory. So I've done that effectively here. I assume that low and high was basically the first two and then the last two. And you can see how these are meant to add to the ball position to make it go in the different directions. I believe the problem is that it's just not generating the correct number. Now, I thought that should probably be 4 there, because there is only 4 16-bit values. But then it's doing some kind of 8-bit arithmetic to end up with a 16-bit number. Yeah, so not really been able to debug this yet, but I would be amazed if she commented on this video. Toni Baker, I don't know if she's still around or interested in zx81s. Hopefully, but yeah, I'll possibly do another update to this if I can ever get it working. I may actually rewrite this to use a different method of creating a random seed, but as always, this code will be on GitHub. I'll just put it in one of the repos to do zx81. I'll put a link in the description. Anyway, thanks for watching, and bye for now.